Hi, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to explain you about the reused content on the YouTube. It happened to me, one of my YouTube channel. I have uploaded some videos and yeah, I got more views and reviews and likes and comments, everything. It was going very well and I was able to reach the 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours. But after that, I applied for the monetization after around 8 months. But the YouTube rejected me for the monetization. Let me show you the page. Channel monetization page. Your channel wasn't accepted for the monetization. So here is the point, the channel uses someone else's content without making any changes that add significant value, So I just blindly upload the other people videos on my this channel. So because of that, my monetization was rejected. I supposed to updated something, I need to add some value from my own, I wasn't do that. Because of that, it simply monetization was not enabled for those videos. So the content uploaded many times by other YouTubers, because the content which I downloaded from other YouTube only, so those content is spread across all the YouTubes, related to the movie clips. I run all the don'ts things actually instead of do's. So I'm going to delete my not all the videos, some videos, because I have almost 46 videos on that. Not all of them making views. Some of them not even making a views. So I am going to delete some of the videos and follow these do and don'ts in the upcoming days, so that we can make some progression on this. So here, so currently I have 1050 subscribers. So this is eligible. Still I need to run for this 4000. So I'm going to delete some videos. Maybe this public watch hours will be reduced after deleting it. So stay with me. I'm going to delete my videos. Let me go to content page. Here I am going to show you what content. Here is my video content. Some interviews I copied, these things and all, but none of them have a copyright. If you see my, I don't have any copyright videos. But copyright videos doesn't mean that you can use the still copyright videos, but the credit will not come to you. It will go to the actual owners. So here, so I told you that I don't have any copyrights, but still my channel was not approved because of the used content. The used content is nothing to do with the copyright. Used content is based on the YouTube policy. They are rejecting me from the YouTube policy. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the lowest views. For that, I'm going to analytics, engagement, and top videos. I go to the top videos. Here is what, see, in the YouTube always look for 4000 watch hours from the past 12 months, right? So in the past 12 months, I have gained these much views. You see, these are the, let me change it to last 365 days. So these are the total views I have gained. So last 365 days from here, January 31st 2020, January 29 2021. So I have earned 2453 watch hours. So most of them first five, from first 5 videos, other videos doesn't make any hours. I know it is coming, but it is, again, the YouTube always, they already told me that I am using some used content. So I'm going to delete these videos which doesn't make any progress. Okay, I don't want to delete all the video, otherwise YouTube will not promote my channel to the outside. No, I don't think I can delete from here. So I will go back. I will go back here, content. In the content, I'm going to select all this 18 videos I am selecting. Okay, so I don't think this Charlie Chaplin, I don't know whether it's going or not, but not recently nobody watching it at all. So I'm going to delete these. I don't want them to. So these are the lesser views. It is not more views, it's only few views. I'm going to delete this, and this is my own content. I don't want to delete it. So, and this one also, and this one also, and this one also, and this one also. Other than that, I'm going to delete all of this. Let's delete. There are 13 videos I'm going to delete. I don't want other people content. I'm going to make my own. Let's see how it goes. Definitely it will take time, to improve, but I want to do that. It is currently deleting. Yeah. So first thing what you should do not use other people content. If you are using it, just your input on that top of that video. If you are just using their video 100%, YouTube will not accept it. If you are downloading their video, other people content, you have to keep them for at least 50, and the remaining 50 is your content. So this is I personally experienced. So hopefully this video will help you. So I have deleted 13 videos of mine. I'm going to delete some more also. So let's delete this. I know they have a views and everything, but still I don't want to. Thing is, it's a lot of efforts. See, I updated all the what is that, thumbnails and everything. Let me delete this, delete forever. I'm deleting 3 more videos now. Why I'm deleting is YouTube always check for last 12 months. I have to complete 4,000 watch hours. These are the videos, these are the used content, these are the videos not made any views. So I am deleting these videos. It is not going to useful for me, right? So I'm just deleting it. So now I have a total just 10 videos. Yeah, thank you guys. Thanks for your time to watching this. I hope you don't make these kind of mistakes like I did. Hopefully you will learn from my mistakes. Please keep subscribed with this channel. Thank you.